Hello everyone and welcome to English Valley Cafe. I'm Anne. In this video, we're going to go over how to make the sound and say words that end with ORN. And I've worked with a lot of students from all over the world, and I noticed that this is a very difficult sound for many English learners, especially the Asian students that I work with have trouble pronouncing the ORN sound at the end because we have this very weird combination of the R, and then the N. So in this video, I'm going to go over with you how to produce that sound so that you're able to say words and even sentences with these words more naturally. So if you're having trouble with this particular sound, ORN, make sure you stay tuned and watch the entire video. Before we get started, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Anne. I'm an English teacher from the United States, and I post videos here every week on pronunciation, vocabulary, a little bit of American culture, and some conversational English tips to help you have a better conversation in English. So if this is something that you're looking for, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, so let's get into the video. So here I'm going to start off by going over the sound ORN. And how we produce the sound starts with the O, and then we're going to make the and I have a whole video on how to make the American R sound, so I'll leave the link down in the description below and you can check that out. So basically we're going to say O, You're going to curl your tongue up here a little bit. It's not going to touch the roof of your mouth. So or. And then after you make that we're going to relax our tongue and make that sound. So orn. So notice that my lips or my mouth kind of opens up when I say orn. All right, let's take a look at some words here that ends with orn. The first word we have is corn. Make sure that you get the the RN sound in, because if you don't, it's gonna sound like kong, but it's corn. So it's a corn. The next word is thorn. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna make that TH sound first, and you're gonna stick your tongue just out a little bit between your upper and lower teeth. And then you're gonna pull your tongue back. So I'm gonna round my lips. Thorn. If you have trouble making that TH sound, be sure to check the link in the description box below. I previously made a whole entire video on the TH sound, so make sure you check that out. The next word, horn. So again, you're gonna make that orn, but in the beginning, you have that voiceless H sound, so it's gonna be horn. The next word is born. So we're gonna make that b, orn, born. I hear a lot of my Asian students say bong, and that is because that R sound is missing. So make sure that you get that earn. So again, when you're making that make sure the tip of your tongue is not touching the roof of your mouth. So just and then drop your tongue and make that born. The next word is torn, torn. So we're going to make that the T sound, and then orn, torn, torn. Excellent. I'm going to put these words in a sentence now, and we're going to try to say the words in a sentence. We love to grill corn in the summer. Corn. We love to grill corn in the summer. How about the next one? Thorns. Look at those sharp thorns. Look at those sharp thorns. The next one, horn. He got scared by the sound of a car horn. Car horn. He got scared by the sound of a car horn. The next sentence, born. He was born in Argentina. He was born in Argentina. I was born in Taiwan. Where were you born? Let me know in the comments where you were born. The next sentence, torn. She was torn between telling the truth or making her feel better. She was torn between telling the truth or making her feel better. Which one would you do? Would you make somebody feel better by not hurting their feelings? Or would you tell them the truth? Let me know in the comments which one would you choose if you were in a hard situation, a difficult situation. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And I will see you back here next week for a new lesson.